I am artist Saila Seppo. I produce these sisu dolls from a completely new high-tech material, 3 microcellulose. I obtained my result from hybrid experimentation with chemistry and biology. To create this material, I mix white powder with water and color. To make the bottom part of the doll, I dry it either by using the sun outside or room temperature inside. Then I produce the head. I put the both eyes in the right places. Then I glue the head on the bottom part. It is difficult since they should stay fast. Striking the right balance creates eyes that go whatever way want, causing the special expression. All the dolls look different. Sisu dolls appear in many colors and types. Here you see magnetic sisu dolls. Aren't they cute? This sisu has got a pin for attaching it to cloth. This sisu could be used as a necklace. This sisu has an attachment hook. This sisu goes to the flower pot. This sisu is packed to be a present. This sisu stands on a table. This sisu could be attached anywhere. This sisu can be hung. Here you see the postcards of sisu dolls. Here are sisu gnomes, Christmas gnomes. We are familiar with snow. This sisu has got feather. Sisu dolls have been photographed in many places. You see those postcards, and here is a picture of a sisu doll. Children, teenagers and adults like sisu dolls. You can attach one sisu doll to your school bag, or you can set a sisu doll in front of your computer. Take a look around. Thank you.